In this video, I'd like to give a brief overview on how to perform T1 mapping analysis. I'm going to begin by choosing the T1 mapping application right here. If your preferences are set up correctly, you'll notice that the only series that one can see to analyze are the relevant T1 mapping series. This first one is the native or pre-contrast series. This is a mid-ventricular slice, so I'm going to select that from the table here. And then I'm going to choose a phase where I can see the blood pool in the myocardium well. And then I'm going to use this icon to mark the endocardial border. And I'm going to use this icon to mark the epicardial border. I will use this icon to mark the posterior RV insertion site. If I want to adjust or edit these, I can pull the tag points as seen here, or I could select it and draw like that. I can use this tool to choose the blood pool, and if I want to interrogate a specific region of myocardium, I can draw a region like that. And you'll see I have two curves, one for the global T1 and one for the local region of interest here in red. If I'd like to see the image sectors, I can click on this option here and it will show me where the sectors are. And I can do this not just for the native images, but also for the post-contrast images, which I can select here. And now I can use these post-contrast icons to again mark the endocardium, the epicardium, the RV insertion site, the blood pool, and I can even choose a focal region of interest in one specific area of the myocardium. And now you can see, because there's a hematocrit here of 40%, we can see the extracellular volumes as well as the T1 contrast globally or for the local region of interest. It's easy to enter whatever hematocrit you want, and the extracellular volumes will update accordingly. You need to correctly choose the right sequence. This sequence was a saturation recovery sequence. However, you want this option if you're using Molly to make your images. And also, if you want to see what the polar plot looks like, you can use this option down here, and it will give you the T1 for these mid-ventricular segments, which are the ones that we filled out right here. So I hope this has been a helpful overview for analyzing the T1 and creating T1 maps. If you'd like more detailed information, you can look under the Help menu in the instructions for use, as shown here. Thank you very much.